Hey there folks, Lenny Ruda here for BoatUS Magazine. You know, I hope as you begin your life as a trailer boater and enjoy your trailering adventures, you have tuned in to check out our videos on what to check every time you tow your boat, every 50 hours when you tow your boat, and today we're going to talk about what to check every 100 hours as you tow your boat. And we're up here on the bow to look at item number 1, that's the bow eye. Obviously, you really need that sucker to be strong and secure. Your stern eyes also need an inspection, obviously, since they're going to be taking a lot of weight when you tighten down your straps. This is also a good time to check your boat's rub rail. Look for damage that needs to be repaired, like that. This 100-hour point is also a good time to check some of the heavier duty items on the boat. Things like the cleats. Make sure they're secure. Same with the rails and the rail stanchions. If any of these items are loose, it is imperative that they be fixed right away before the boat goes out on the water. Well folks, we hope you found this video helpful, and please feel free to leave your comments in the box below. Also, let us know if there are any other topics you would like us to touch on. And in the meantime, don't forget to subscribe to the BoatUS YouTube channel.